Blay pi baro ipnyang subhai pi sekatuk kubor mentagajan miet shaban pai si kubor kubnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Anai jingirap ke soka pedeng lingba ke PM Usha Scheme ban pelong ia ke jemput kam ia ke NEP arja arpo ke bejob. Pan ketenat PHE saat kumbaan rup keluar tingkah ke pisah ban pendap ia ke projek jong ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Mi biang ke jengi kaja kaput apeleng ke jela asam bat Meghalaya dalak bantem ya ke jengi kenat. Bat on sedang ke Shillong Engineering College ya ke kelas nadu usnam banwan. Ki kubor ki bebernya. Ka soka jelah hinin ke sengi ke laweng ya ka jing seir jong ke jing duna pisah ke ban pentrai kam ya ke NEP ajar arpo da ke boong ba ke soka pedeng kan saa ya ke jing rap hapo ke PM Usha Scheme na ke benta ban pentikna ya ke jing job ha ke jing pentrai kam ya ke National Education Policy lani NEP ha ke jelah. Menteri Badai Kemi ia ketenat pulih putih urakam sangma ula ong ba kajing duna pisah ban penteri kam ya ke NEP kam don syu namar bana kaliang jong soka pedeng kala dep ban ai ya kajing don kam lingba jong skim Prime Minister Usha ula ong syu ba ya kajing terwa ban Kemi benya bat kajing yesoi sekolah ba soka jelaru lala ban pendep.
Earlier it was Usha, now it's PM Usha.
There should not be any discussion anymore on NEP. Because in the state it is already implemented at all level. Of course, the introduction of 4-year degree courses was the subject of the discussion for last few days and few weeks. But it is out of question now. All the college has already implemented in full swing, and the classes is going very smoothly.
Menteri ketenat PHE Markus Marak henen kesengi ula pentikna bagi ketenat kadang pansyu ya ke pisah ke belong enrup keluar tingkah na ke benta ban pendap ya ke projek jong ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 hapo jong ubnai no para ula ong ba kini ke projek kala shempo ban dap na ki babon ki daw kum ka jing penslam ban pelaj ya ke installment na ke soka pedeng ka jing slam ban yo jingbit na ketenat PWD ketenat klau bat ru na ke Shillong Cantonment Board. Agabai day bat kajing pentrai kam ya kajal Jivan Mission lani JJM haga jela uni menteri ulo ong bahadu menta kumbasan pupra poin pran riau na kisispa kakam lala ban pendap bat ulo ong ba kajing ai connection kalajan kot syakumba saulak teli kilong yeng.
Very soon, we are hoping to get within next week. So if we get the clearances next week, so we are hoping to complete the project by December this year. JJM as of today, I think it is almost 59% now. We are very close to 4 lakh connections now. So once we get the 4 lakh connections, we'll be crossing 60%, and we're doing very well now.
Jinga kajaput apeng kejela Assam bat Meghalaya khamtam hakasnong lapangap jong ke West Giant Hills District kelami biang hadien balami kajinga kaja apeng kijai bendriu karbi bat ki penar. Kinong shong ki basong basa hasilenter jong kene ke jaka kaput kilia tu bada ki spangut kinong karbi kilari aki klau haba keli ya wahi chnong jong ke snong lapangap u daimoni lingdo ulay tu bakat ba kinong rep kidang let shakilingka kila sha tombor nen ke step ha kinong karbi ki balari lupa ki klau bo marjan da ki jri bat ki khnam kirenti ulia tu ba ki bo pulit na baro arjala ki lawan marmar syakatei ka jaka balala bantem no ya ka jinge kenat apdeng jongki halo kene ka jingja wahe snong jongka lapangap ula kentu ya ki bo penya district jongka West Giant Hills District banle ai khnang ban ai jinge dai ki nong shong snong jong kene ka snong Wat hadien baka Comptroller and Auditor General kala penmi ya kai pot jongka ka penpau ya kajing pendon kam bakla bat kajing pelut put ka basong do ki kelur tingka ha kajing pentrai kam ki skim beper hapo ka jela unong elam jong ka seng BJP bolong udkhot ka kanhon menteri ba el hek henden ka sngi la ong ba dei ban pensisha shwa ya ki jing kentho hashwa ban shem ya ka rai hlo kanu kamat da ka ba ong ba ka dei ka kamram jong ka CEG ban pentip hlo kita kimat kanang ba ka tanat ka badai kala ban ai ya ka jubab ula ong ru bala dadon kanu ka babakla ka dai ka kamram jong ka soka ban penbek ya ka.
Any action to be taken for anything, it has to be authenticated. It has to be proven. Without that, no action can be taken like that. Not emotionally to take action against anybody. Let's be reasoning properly, think properly, then only whatever action has to be taken, that will be taken as a duty of CAG to find out any wherever they can identify the misuse of funds. That's a duty of the CAG. So they are doing the job, and the state will reply accordingly to that.
Ka soka jala ka thmu ban sedang no ya ki kelas jong ka Shillong Engineering College nadu usnam ubanwan. Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih urakam isangma ula ong ba Maria Deptei ban penbit penbiang ya ketika college on saya syong ban ya kren kampanya balada kila an em ban sedang no ya ki kelas usnam ubanwan. Ka Shillong Engineering College kana 4 la ban pediangi kena pulim tau senam namar ba ka soka jala kadang hap ban yo jing itu shwa na ka All India Council for Technical Education lani AICTE.
As the infrastructure is ready, we will sit, we will discuss, and we will start at the earliest. We will see whether next academic session will be possible to start it on it. But most of the institutions whose building infrastructure is completed or the classes will start from next academic session.
Ka College of Teacher Education PGT nen kesngi kelas sedang ya kejeng rakhie jong ke lingku senam ban rupau jong ka auditorium jong ke college ya kene kejeng rakhie lawan banya shembenta da Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih urakam isangma aba aijing kran usangma ula aijing ero ya kene kejaka puli na ke benta kejeng aijing syakri ke jong ka agaban penmi ya ki hajar ngut kinong hikai ke jela ki batrei ya ki Snat Puli Putih beper ba ban airu ya kerensan ya kinong hikai ban pentebet hagi kam aijing hikai agan ke program u kongsan har ringkat bat ki weipat ki kenram kelendan kila sakhi ya ke jeng pelai ya u logo bat ya ke phang padeng jong ka jubilee.
I see many distinguished, experienced, retired professor, serving professor, and the faculty members, and all the brilliant young students. We should design ourselves to be the best among the best on the globe. We have the capacity. We have the capacity. We have the talents. We have the resources. But let us contribute what we have, the best for the generation of youngs that is coming behind us for tomorrow.
UMLA berem bat ubadairu MDC ke Motion Road Constituency ugeger mertong ula pelai patba ia ke trok kit nyot apo ke Finance Commission bakatsan jong usnam ahajar arpwe jong ke KHDC nen kesngi ia ke program pelai patba la pelong hayau jong ke society aba ai jingkran hakani kesngi iba mertong ibadairu ikongsan hakani ke program la ong balajet ia ke jaka banshna ia ke supermarket bat ban samru iketrok kit nyot namar bakadai ke jaka ke bah pedeng do jong ke snong Motion Road bat don kamru ban pen internet ia ka mentang nyepet ya kejing long jaman kesui menang Shillong kajing shit ke long apusan point iwe degree Celsius bat kajing kriat ke long khat riu point nyo degree Celsius kajing sengam gau hau ke long nyo pu anak shispa men step bat prapo nak shispa jan miet kala bandon kajing half slap ke ba melumala ki kat tu kat ni ki jaka Syaban poi syek bekut jong tup kebor ni pek biang sa asin nya kini kimat bekongsan On ai jeng rap ke soka pedeng lembaga PM Usha Scheme ban pelong ia ke jeng penteri kami ke NEP ajar arho ke bejob. Pan ketenat PHE sa kumban rup tingkah ke pisah ban pendap ke projek jong ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Mi biang kejengnya kajak haput apeleng kejela Assam ban Meghalaya lala bantem ya kejengnya kenat Bad on stang ke Shillong Engineering College ke kelas na du senam banwan. Tepalok na kitugi kubo ing lapoi syabakut jong tuk kubo jengi mentaga janmiat hadu bangin disyam plasai kesengi haga juk kubo kedui sipuni pibaro.
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with guaranteed returns. This limited period